In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Kimi AI, a powerful tool for visual coding and agent swarm functionality. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to navigate through various features and utilize them for your projects. Begin by opening your web browser and entering the URL for Kimi AI. Look for the page that displays the Kimi AI interface. This is where you will access all of the features available within the platform. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during your session. Next, locate the section labeled Websites on the main interface. Clicking on this option will direct you to a page that lists various web-related functionalities. Wait a moment for the page to load completely before proceeding, as this ensures that all elements are fully accessible. After that, find and click on the option labeled Docs. This section provides access to various documentation features that can assist in your projects. You should see a new interface appear with different documentation options. Make sure to review this page carefully to familiarize yourself with the available tools. Once you have explored the Docs section, proceed to click on Slides. This feature allows you to create and manage slide presentations directly within Kimi AI. A loading indicator may appear briefly as the interface transitions, confirming that you have successfully navigated to the Slides section. Now click on the option labeled Sheets. This section is designed for spreadsheet functionalities, which can be crucial for data management tasks. After clicking, wait for the interface to refresh and display the available spreadsheet tools. Following that, click on Deep Research to access advanced research capabilities. This feature is particularly useful for in-depth analysis and data gathering. Again, be patient as the page loads, ensuring all functionalities are properly displayed. Next, locate and click on the option named Kimi Code. This section is intended for coding tasks and should provide you with various coding tools. As with previous steps, a brief loading state may occur, indicating that you are successfully accessing this feature. Afterward, click on the Kimi Claw option. This feature is designed for more specialized functions within the platform. Allow a moment for the interface to adjust, confirming your successful navigation. Now move on to click on Chat History. This will bring up a record of past interactions within the Kimi AI platform. Ensure that you review this section as it can provide valuable insights into your previous activities. Next, return to the Websites option by clicking it again. This action will take you back to the main web functionalities. Once the page is fully loaded, you can explore further options available under this section. Then click on the Prompt option. This feature allows you to input specific commands or requests for the Kimi AI to process. Wait for the interface to refresh, confirming you are in the right section. Now, type in a command such as build CRM as an example of what you might want Kimi AI to generate. This input will guide the AI in understanding your request. Ensure that your input is clear and specific for optimal results. Finally, click on the Generate button to execute your command. This action will prompt Kimi AI to begin processing your request. Depending on the complexity of your input, there may be a brief loading period as the AI generates the output. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.